Hi everyone, this is my homework. Today I want to talk about born within everyone. Everyone has a character. First, when you see someone, you may be invested over appearance. They are tall or short. They are very beautiful or ugly. You don't know a beauty inner through the first meeting. They may be a rude person or a bad person. You only understand when we talk and interact with them. Some people sometimes terrify a new person. Example, when you see a new culture, she wears clothes very different. She wears a big glasses on front. You maybe think she looks like an idiot. Other example, when you see a man whose hair are tattooed, you maybe think people is not good. It's not true, because that is his Chinese. He is friendly and help other people when they have trouble. If other people has their character. Sometimes we focus on the bad sides so much that we forget their good sides. We will be fair to do this. No one is perfectly bad, but it's true not no one is perfectly good. If we want them to see us in a good way, we should start seeing them in a good way too.